Hey guys, Brett SO2 here. Today we just have really high winds right now. This is crazy. Yesterday trees had some dried up leaves on, now they're all gone. Uh-oh. Here my wind chimes are not having a good time from this wind. Whoa. Oh god, that looks creepy. Look at him go. Oh crap, a gazebo. Please don't fly away. My pinwheel. Man, I really hope our trees don't fall. That'd be scary, even though they're so big. Clouds are moving really fast. Oh, there goes our gazebo. Oh god. Man, this wind is crazy. Alright, this is getting a bit too dangerous. I'm gonna go ahead and go back inside. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.